This is Chapter 5, Lesson 7, Graph on the Coordinate Plane. All right, so when I'm graphing ordered pairs, okay, to graph an ordered pair, I draw a dot at the point that corresponds to the coordinate. So, for example, if I'm graphing 4, 5, my x value is 4 and my y value is 5. So I go over 4, up 5, and make a point. -3, 1, I go over -3, up 1, make a point. -5, -5, over -5, down 5, make a point. 6, -2, I go over 6, down 2, I make a point. I can also graph reflections on the coordinate plane. So you can graph points that are reflected across the x and y axes. Remember that points reflected across the x-axis will have the same x coordinates and their y coordinates will be opposites. And points reflected across the y-axis will have the same y coordinates and their x coordinates will be opposite. Okay, so here's an example. So x and y. So if x is 0, it means it doesn't move. If it's positive, you move to the right. If it's negative, you move to the left. And for y, if it's 0, it doesn't move. If it's positive, you move up. And if it's negative, you move down. Okay, so here's a try it out problem. Okay, there's a picture hidden in this grid. Connect the points with lines to reveal it. So I want you to go ahead, plot all the points listed below. Okay, I'll do the first one with you, and then you're going to be on your own. So this says line 1, so you're going to connect these 3 points to each other, and then you're going to stop and take a break, and then you're going to do line 2, connect those points. Then line 3, you connect those points, and so on and so forth, okay? So I'll do line 1 first. So I have 9, 11. So I go over 9, up 11, make a point. Then I go over 6, up 12, make a point, and then I connect those two. Okay, so it's this one and this one. Okay, and then I have 5, 13. There. I connect those. Okay. Now the next set, you won't connect from 5, 13. All right. So once you're done, so go ahead, pause the video. Once you're done, we will look at the picture together.